So it's beautiful weather this morning. It's hot as fuck. I think I have another hour until it will start raining, because it will be probably raining, because when it's hot like this, it's a matter of minutes or hours and it will be like really heavy raining. So my last place I want to visit on that trip, it's KL Tower. I think this is like a box I will need to tick, because if I'm in Kuala Lumpur, I have to visit the most iconic places, and KL Tower is one of them. I haven't eaten my breakfast, I only had a coffee, just in case. Guys, you know I have a fear of height, and I'm not really sure how it's looking up there. Better be safe than sorry. KL Tower attractions. So I've got 6 different areas. A refuge area, I'm not really sure what does that mean. Observation deck, restaurant, mega view office, and SkyDeck. I don't know where I will be. Let's go and find out. It's so fucking hot, I'm melting pretty much. That's the biggest con of being in Malaysia, the temperature. Yeah, you're going out for like 5-10 minutes, you're just sweating like crazy. And it's not that kind of heat when, like it was in Thailand next to the beach. No, there's no breeze in here. There's no cold air or nothing. It's just like walking in a sauna. Absolutely terrible. But I'd rather to have this than the rain and cold in a fucking England. Alright, that's the entrance. I don't know anything. How much are the tickets? I don't know anything. But I know one thing. Guys, look at this beautiful skyline. So I can only imagine the view from the top. Yeah, very nice. Very green. So New Year's Eve dinner cost 460, 10 pounds. And you can have a dinner for at the New Year's Eve party. That's crazy, 10 pounds. Hopefully this is not the queue. Oh fuck, this is the queue. Hey, this? So it cost 110. One. So 110 is £2.57. Thanks.
So you'll be going through all these while coming back?
You're going to SkyDeck 05 and 01.
Okay.
So observation deck is indoor.
Okay. And what about this restaurant? It's not
Restaurant, you need to make reservation first.
Sekejap ni nak pergi mana? Nak turun Nodi?
Are you okay? You okay? Thank you.
Oh. Yeah. So after an hour standing and waiting in a fucking queue. I'm finally here. Guys, look at this shit. Yeah guys, the view is absolutely stunning. Well, this is pretty much the same view I had from Petronas towers over there. Oh yeah, it's nice weather for this. It's nice visibility. Yeah, let's walk around. So there is Skybox, which is cost 10 ringgit. So you can actually stand over there, and there is like a glass. There's no way I'm doing this, like this shit. Yeah, 10 ringgit cost to go there, 45 seconds. But yeah, I'm not doing this. Yeah, there's no way I will stand on that glass floor. No, I'm not doing this. Here we go, that's the view. And yeah, the Batu Caves, they're over there somewhere. I visited them, so you can check the previous video. So yeah, people are actually going for it. I want to see the reaction.
307 Skybox.
Yeah, I don't have balls to do it. Unfortunately, my fear of height won't let me. I'll probably shit myself if I walk there. Yeah guys, $3 or $3.50 or something, and you can have amazing view from the top. It's definitely worth it. There is some facts. So we are at 421 meters. So that tower was built in 1996, I guess, or opened at 1996. It took them 4 years to build this. It's mostly for telecommunication purpose. Yeah, guys, this is the box I wanna tick. So I haven't been here. Last time I was in Malaysia, but now I am. I think definitely more interesting is to go to the Petronas towers than here, because you can have a little bit more. You can have a little bit of history as well. But if you have to choose between KL Tower or Petronas Tower, I would definitely recommend to go to the Petronas. It costs a little bit more. I don't really remember how much, but I think it will be definitely better experience if you go to the Petronas tower than this one. I think it was better over there. But the view is pretty much still the same, because the towers, they're just opposite. Oh, just over there. So you've got exactly the same view. Yeah. I don't know how this guy is doing this. Oh yeah, there's no way I will do it. Can I just go on the other side? Yeah, thank you. How people can walk in there, it's crazy. Fucking hell. Yeah guys, as you see, the city is massive. So 8 million people living around in that sector. Yeah, here is definitely nicer in the shadow. Guys, it's so hot, you can't even fucking believe. It's like being in an oven. Yeah, I like places like this. I like to see like the world from the top. I still have like a fear of height. There's no way I will go on that platform, but being here, like, please do not lean against glass. Okay, sorry. So, but yeah, being here, I feel quite secured. You know, I don't have that fear. But if I will be on that platform, yeah, there's no fucking way. I will shit myself for sure, 100%. Such a beautiful view. I can only imagine having a drone in here and just fly around. Yeah, guys, if you're in Kuala Lumpur, definitely you have to come to this tower or the other ones. Definitely worth. The view is amazing, but you need to pick the day when it's like quite sunny. If it will be cloudy, it will be probably not the best idea. Well, like I said, the ticket price is not crazy. It's like $3.50, but yeah, you have to wait quite a long in a queue to get to the top. They only have like two elevators, so. And I also believe they can't let everybody in because it will be like dangerous. But yeah, I'm glad I came here. There must be a mosque somewhere. Yeah, there's one place I want to visit. Is this bridge over there? I don't know if you guys can see. It's this thing. I'm not really sure I will have time today, but from that bridge, it's a nice view on the towers. And what is this for? For
Cleaning missing, sir.
the cleaning, yeah?
Like this glass.
Ah, okay.
Cleaning missing.
And it's going all around?
Yeah, we're going after
All around the thing. Oh, okay.
7 Skybox.
Yeah. Okay. So how many people doing this? One person? Two?
2%, yeah?
Two.
2%.
And how long it take to do the whole thing? How long it take to clean the whole building? Do you know?
Say there. I don't know, sir.
You don't know. Thank you.
2100 Skybox 2.
2058 steps. Okay. I wouldn't mind to go down, but going up it will be a bit pain in the ass, I guess.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Obvious photo scam. Just wondering how much they charge for photos. Okay, so I'm a bit higher at the observation deck. I don't have to pay extra to be here, so I decided, yeah, I'll just quickly go. Yeah, it's definitely a different view here. All right, so we have different towers. So we have an Alor Star, which is 165 meters. The next one is in Berlin, 368. Riga in Latvia, 368. So got another one in Kazakhstan, Liberation Tower in Kuwait, 372. Uzbekistan, Kyiv Tower, 365. Central Radio, Beijing, 405 meters. So this one, 421. So it's the one. Look like it's the ninth. The ninth in the line. Next one is in Iran, Shanghai. So Moscow. This is definitely where I'm going. I'm not sure when. Ostankino Tower, 540 meters. Then we have Toronto, Guangzhou, wherever it's called, 600 and 634 in Tokyo. All right, let's walk around and get out of here. Yeah, all the way down, yeah? Sorry, can I use the stairs then? No? I can't walk down? I could. Because what, I will be waiting for how many people to go down? Aye? Yeah. Okay, but I can't just go on my own, I have to wait for other people, yeah? No? Ah, okay. Ah, okay. Yeah, they won't let me use the stairs, unfortunately. I wouldn't mind to go down, it's 2,000 steps. It's nothing. Exit this way? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it must be cool to come here at night to the restaurant. Well, I have to make a reservation and all of that bullshit. I'm too lazy for that. Yeah, guys, I ticked my box. The box ticked. So I've been on the tower. I'm glad I did it. Nice view. The weather beautiful. So I can see what I want to see. So what is around Kelly Tower is what they call the green lungs of Kuala Lumpur. It's called the Eco Park. Fuck, that's it's called the Eco Park. And yeah, and this is the road going through it, and there's like a massive chunk of park over there. I won't be going to the park because I want to go back, take a shower, and in about a few hours I will be heading to Petronas Tower to see the fireworks. So I won't have time for that. I would love to walk in that park and in the jungle, but guys, it's so hot. I'm going back to hotel. I'm taking a shower, and let's go and see some fireworks. Okay, boys and girls, so it's 8 o'clock. I've got 4 hours until New Year's Eve. So I'll be slowly walking towards the Petronas Towers to KLCC Park. This is where I will be spending my New Year's Eve. This is where I will be looking at fireworks and shit. The most impressive, the most, I would say, which stuck in my head for long, it was definitely New Year's Eve in Rio de Janeiro. That was probably one of the fucking best places I've been, and also the most interesting when you see like 3 million people playing and dancing on the small beach. Well, Copacabana is not exactly small, but when you put 3 million people in there, it's become quite small. So yeah, guys, we'll see what will happen this year. I don't really expect anything. I'm just going there to watch fireworks and see the vibe. I will be going through that street food market, which is called, I always forget, Jalan Alor. So this is like a street food mecca for everyone who wants to try some Asian food, and you also can find some other like Western foods as well, but not so much. So let's have a look. Maybe I'll grab something to eat. I'm not really hungry, but we'll see. It's super hot. and I know over there will be even hotter. Let's have a look. I've done already video on that market last year. If you want to check my other videos from Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, I will put the link somewhere. All right, let's go and have a look what's happening there tonight. So that's the entrance to the market. No, no, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Alright, that was the entrance. Yeah, I don't see many people now, which is awesome. So I don't have to fight with anyone just to go through. Alright, let's roughly have a look what they're offering today on the market. So I will be walking all the way up across that building. This is where the Petronas towers are. So what we have, some skewers. So one skewers costs 6 ringgit, which is £1. So for £1 you can have one skewer. That's not bad. Unfortunately nothing for me because it's all meat. Got seafood, juices, and milk tea. I wouldn't mind a drink actually. So they're serving mango sticky rice as well. I tried, but it doesn't really taste like the mango sticky rice from Thailand, unfortunately. It's a little bit different. So what we have here, chicken bun, beef bun, curry chicken.
Pukul berapa hari ini?
So they have some sort of momos as well. There we go. So on the right side there are mostly restaurants, mostly tables. On the left side there's smaller vendors. Stinks of durian. Oh, disgusting. Have some fresh juices. Here we go. I don't know. So that's long fries. Oh, I like those ones. And those fruits and syrups. I never tried them. I don't know. It just looked too sweet for me. Okay. Golek. Not sure what it is. Sorry, what was that? It's a lamp? What's that? Ah, okay, lamp. That was lamp. So got more mango sticky rice. So mango juice 8, which is £1.20. Guys, you don't believe how many people was yesterday here. I will post a video just to show you comparison. This is nothing like compared to yesterday. Yeah, I'm glad I came here a little bit early. What is it now? It's 7:30. Yeah. So they have this flaming marshmallow ice creams. I had them last year, but nothing really special. The ice cream is still hard inside. Yeah, it's definitely less chaotic at this time. So yeah, this is one of the biggest street food markets here in Kuala Lumpur. So what we have in here, the goose neck, duck neck. If you like duck necks, that's definitely something for you. Oh, rambutan, I like this one. This is good shit. What we have here, salted baked crab. So got salted crab, which cost £6.70. £6.70 for a crab. There's more durian. I like those neon lights. They're really cool. They're really colorful, especially after dark. So one costs 2 ringgit. And here we go, the squid. Yeah, poor octopus. More durian. What's that? So chestnuts look like sweet potatoes. Hello. Corn milk. Salted egg yolk pastry, barbecue chicken bun. I've seen those tarts in I don't remember where. I've seen them somewhere in different countries in Europe. The egg tarts. I want to say Portugal, but I've never been to Portugal. But I've seen them somewhere. Veg, fruits. More flaming marshmallow ice creams. Yeah, some of those fruits look so delicious. A free sample. There's definitely more people in here. So when they see the camera, they don't really approach, which is great. Mango sticky rice. So mango sticky rice costs 15. 15 is £2.70. £2.70. That was definitely cheaper in Thailand, and a bit bigger portions, I would say. Maybe mango is a bit more pricey in Malaysia. What we have in here? And more squid. Thank you. I don't really believe it's very good, but just poor octopus. Okay, £1 for a coconut. That's a good price, especially they are big coconuts. Guys, this is fucking madness. Look at it. How many people, actually thousands, coming here every night? That's a massive crab. Yeah, I'm not really hungry. I'm more thirsty than hungry. I'll probably have some juice or something, but yeah, that will be it. Maybe later I'll grab something. I think this is tofu. So we've got different prices for different color of the stick. Different color, different price. So the green one is 7, so it's like marinated meats. And the cheapest, obviously, vegetables. So you can boil it in here somewhere. I like the fact that you can actually choose what you want to eat and they will prepare it for you.
Hello.
Hello.
No, Superman.
Superman.
What is this?
Frog.
Frog? Fuck's sake.
So good.
I believe it's good, but
Same the chicken.
yeah. Oh, fuck's sake. It's actually nice you can actually walk in here because yeah, yesterday it was not possible. It was so many people, you're just stuck and you can't just go anywhere, front or back. And it's so hot. Oh yeah, now it's nice. That's the best time to come here, about 8 o'clock. So we've got dried durian, fried durian. Oh no, thank you. I don't want any of that shit. I still have the aftertaste of durian in my mouth after yesterday. It's disgusting. I can't get rid of it. I can only imagine what will happen if I will have durian like this, like fresh one, not the frozen one. They're definitely more smelly. All right, this bridge is going to KL Center. So this is exactly where I'm going. It's so many people, it's just fucking ridiculous. All right. So I still have like 2 hours. It's 10 o'clock, so I still have time. I'm not really rushing to get in there, but I kind of have to if I just want to have a spot. So I'm just going and see what happens. I like how everything is well connected. You don't really have to cross the roads or anything. Lots of bridges. Yeah, guys. Yeah, really not sure what to expect every time where I'm going somewhere for New Year's Eve. It's just like super crowdy. In Rio it was unbelievably crowdy on the beach. Last year in Pattaya, hopefully you've seen the video, it was absolutely packed with people. I'm not really sure how it will be here. It's like 3 different spots in KL where they're doing actually like a big celebration, but only in 2 of them they're doing fireworks, like a massive fireworks. So I'm going to one of them. Yeah guys, I really don't know what to expect. Yeah guys, that looks absolutely stunning. So yeah, I'll walk around a little bit. I'd rather be here earlier than stuck somewhere because that tunnel, it will be packed. It will be so easy to stuck in there. So yeah, I don't want to risk. And also walking here, it's not really much of a deal. There's not many people actually here. Maybe it's because it's 2 hours still. What do you want to do in 2 hours in this park? But for me, no problem at all. I will be walking. But yeah, maybe that's why it's not many people, but I expect it will be packed. Hopefully it won't be raining. It's hot as fuck. I'm sweaty. That's the only con of being in a country like this when the weather is like it's now. You're constantly sweaty, you're constantly sticky. Anyway, it's a New Year's Eve. For me, it's like regular Wednesday. But yeah, let's try to stay positive. Kuala Lumpur is definitely a city of light. I'm walking around, I'm trying to find like a perfect spot where I can come back in about 2 hours and just film the fireworks, but I think I found it. The thing is, it's not really many people are here, and I'm quite surprised that people just not walking on the grass, which is quite new to me. Usually in a park, the people are sitting on the grass or just like doing something, but actually the grass is a lava. Everyone's avoiding it. So yeah, the stage is over there. I will have to fight to walk through that crowd. Walk through that crowd all the way there. No happening. If I will come here definitely earlier, I will have a spot in there. But the thing is, I'm not really interested to see what is on the stage. I'm more interested to be by myself somewhere in a bush and watching fireworks. Yeah, guys, fuck it, I'm not going there. I'm coming back to my spot. I'll be waiting over there. Yeah, I have to say I have a really good spot. Not many people around. There is few people gathering over there. But that's pretty much my space today, and I'm happy because if I will be over there where is the stage, it will be so many people, and I can only imagine when it's hot like this, it probably like you can probably faint in there. All right, something happening. 1 minute, 1.5 minutes left. This will be probably my quietest New Year's Eve celebration ever. It's beautiful. Happy New Year, boys and girls. Come on, let's go. Yeah, guys, this was something. Yeah, I never been like a massive fan of fireworks or anything like this. For me, it was just like a waste of money. But wasting money in that sort of for that sort of event once a year, it's fine. You know, yeah, that was a blast. I'm happy I came here. I'm happy to came to Kuala Lumpur. Definitely once of a lifetime experience. I'm glad you guys are here with me, and hopefully you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all of that jazz. And yeah, guys, yeah, I'm a little bit in shock. So have a good day, have a good night wherever you are. Take care. See you in China.